And again, nothing is set in stone, but we are discussing the possibility of canoeing and camping somewhere other than our beloved Rifle River.
And Patrick, he said something.
There was an idea called
The River Pirates
Initiative. The idea was to bring together a group of remarkable people, see if they could become something more. Still believing in that idea. In heroes. It's an old-fashioned notion.
Lord knows, kids like Henry need a hero. People line up for him, cheer them, scream their names, and years later they'll tell how they stood in the rain for hours just to get a glimpse of the one who taught him to hold on a second longer. I believe there's a hero in all of us.